Давайте!
Делайте тут, он вот так вот пойдет.
Trying to make my friends turn their backs on the team. Building up some mistaken information, and I can't take this. Let me spill it out plain for you. As the truth complaining about the things we do.